Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we will discuss about how to create item with GL definition. First of all, navigate to the financial management system. In the definitions section, click on define item. Before creating an item with GL definition, we need to create an item group. Click on item group. The process is simple. Just click on add new. For example, we have raw material and click on update. Again, go to the definitions. Define item, create item with GL definition. Just click on new. Here we need some GL codes. So open the chart of account report in other tab. Now, before creating an item, we need to define GL accounts that will be used for sales, purchase and inventory tracking. We already know how to open GL accounts in chart of account. Now for creating an item, we need item code here. Just go to the chart of account report. For example, we have maize here. This is our item code. Just copy and paste the item code here. Item description, maize. Now we have to map this item with GL accounts. Like for sale code, go to the chart of account report, sale of maize, and just copy the sale of maize code and paste here. We also need the purchase code. We already have the purchase code here. Just copy and paste the purchase code. Now we have the maize consumed, maize consumption. Just copy the code and paste in the consumption field. Next, we have freight code. Just search freight in the chart of account report. We have freight and transportation here. Just copy the code and paste in the freight code field. We have item group here. Just select the item group we just created, raw material. Item BP, just click on not applicable. We have the Bardana code here. Again, go to the chart of account report, search Bardana, empty bag stock, copy, paste. In the rest of fields, just copy the item code and paste everywhere. Paste here. If you already created these GL accounts in chart of account, you can copy that code and paste here. If not, just copy and paste the item code here. Once all details are entered, just click on update and there we go. We have successfully created an item with GL definition. In the next video, we will discuss about sale invoice and purchase direct. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more ERP related videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.